Yes, students, here we are going to discuss electric potential to a system of charges. In previous lectures, we have gone through the electric potential due to a point charges. Now, in that, what we have got, V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. Q is the charge and R is the distance. So, if we are having, say, n number of charges there, means a system of charges means n number of charges are there. N number of charges are there, and when we are talking about n number of charges, instead of taking, I am going to have 3 or 4 charges. So suppose this charge Q1, say it is a Q2, say it is a Q3, and which is having some distance from this R1, it is at R2, it is, we can say it is on R3 in terms of vector, and say it is, say, Q4, which is R4. So the distance which we have taken, the position vector is there, and if you want to know the electric potential because of these charges, so because of these charges we want to know here electric potential because of this, because of this, because of this, and because of this. We have taken 4 charges only. Now we know the electric potential because of a point charge is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. Okay. Now it is clearly understood that there will not be any single charge. वहाँ पे कोई एक single charge तो नहीं होगा जिसके कारण we will be having some potential. There are so many charges, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे charges होंगे और उस charge के कारण एक point पे क्या potential होगा, what will be the potential that we are going to calculate here. Now we will see what will happen. ये हम देखते हैं. Now because of this charge we are having some electric potential, say V1, which is going to be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1. V2 is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q2 upon R2. The distance which we have taken, that is R1, R2, R3. Okay. Now here we can have, now we don't need to represent it in R3. It will create some problem. Confusion create करेगा, इसलिए मैं उसको हटा देता हूँ. Okay. So here what we are having, V3, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q3 upon R3, and V4, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q4 R4. Because of this there will be an electric potential. We have taken this point as P. There are charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. We have taken n number of charges, but we are taking an example of only Q4 charges. So for simplicity, now because of this there will be electric potential, so there will be the addition of all the potentials. So we can say here V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. Okay. Now if we go through this, what we are getting here? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 upon R2 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 upon R3 plus 1 upon 4 pi, I am writing it here, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q4 R4. So here if we go through this, what we are getting, electric potential, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common, and Q1 upon R1 plus say Q2 upon R2, say Q3 upon R3 plus say Q4 upon R4, which we can put it here. And if we are having n point charges, so that will be Qn upon Rn. So if you want to know the total electric potential, so it is crystal clear. यहाँ से हमको clear हो रहा है कि it is the addition of all the charges divided by their distance to a particular point where we want to know the electric potential. जहाँ पे हमको electric potential निकालना है, उस charge divided by that particular distance का addition होते जा रहा है. So हम simply what we can do here, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation ले लें हम इसका, तो इसको हम represent कर सकते हैं QI upon Ri, I is equals to 1 up to N. This is the electric potential which we are getting. This is the electric potential which we are getting. V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into this summation Qi upon Ri. I is equal to 1 up to N. So electric potential is the potential because of all charges, addition of all charges. ये सबका एडिशन है चार्जेस का एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट जहां पे हम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. ओके, now if I am assuming now vector r1 position vectors, r2 position vectors, and this up to rn position vectors, all the charges which are having these position vectors, so this relation will be termed as now 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation Qi upon vector r minus vector ri. This I is equals to 1 up to n. So this will be in the vector form, the magnitude of these vectors. Okay, so we can have the electric potential due to a system of point charges, due to a system of charges, not a point charges, system of charges. Okay, so we can determine this way and we can calculate it.